the ships.
If we added all the counters that we should have for KGL, there wouldn't be a screen left. Team kills, screams, owls.
James, I'm coming, lad. Wait for me.
I'll wait for you, laddie.
Where's our commanding officer?
I'll wait for you in hell.
Well, I can't get to you. I can't get to you guys now because you ran too far.
So what?
No, come here. We ran all alone.
How have we run too far?
Because if I try and run down there at this point, I'm gonna get anted.
No, we all
I
ran
literally
alone.
ran here by myself.
You can
Okay,
run
fair enough.
back, man.
It doesn't mean that we're going to wait for you now.
You
Go,
just
go,
can't
go,
run
go.
forward.
No, wait for him. Go get him. Go get him. Let's not be dicks.
Ah,
James,
yeah,
go back.
wait for him. Wait for him.
James. James.
Why do you think I'm
No, I can't
turning?
take center.
David!
You murderer!
Completely deserved.
Where are you going, Adam? We're grounding the ship. Jokes.
C. Tixon's a nice person.
Yeah. Why?
Oh, fuck. James, kill him for that. We wasted that time. Kill him. James, do it.
Oh, he moved. What a shame.
Mr. Frodo,
somehow-
I'm coming with you.
Somehow Akka managed to see that I was aiming and moved.
You know, the real sad thing is, Kenobi hasn't turned up
I can
today. It's
see!
like the first
He
time.
hasn't!
It's the first time in 3 weeks he hasn't turned up, which is. Damn it, David. No.
If he makes it onto the ship, it's okay, but if he dies before then, that's not enough.
Ah.
We are family.
Look at the dead bodies just floating underwater.
Seems like we're missing quite a few notable figures today. We've got no Kenobi or Harvester. It doesn't look like there's an Anna in there either. But we've got Lucas, got Ryan.
Why do we have to wait for our commanding officer that long? Just fat or just slow?
Well, if we wait here, we can shoot him more.
Oh, point.
Hey, yo. Now you just... Okay.
Hey, he said if I made it on, it'll be okay.
You
David?
killed the captain. Ah!
The very first session I had. Hi, guys.
The fuck was that?
Where's our commanding officer now?
You heard nothing, my friend.
I love how Squirrel isn't even trying. Squirrel's just joining in with the lines and everything.
James, say it. Say essentials ending all the time.
Don't.
You're a fucking admin before you get campfire now.
They could see that that's jokes because I added the it's disappointing part. So if they start slaying him, that's on them. I hold no responsibility. My guys, stop killing each other, man. I don't like the fact that we haven't left and they're already shooting at us with cannonballs.
Yes. Yes, can we please get
I only
going?
killed you, Cat, because you killed me once.
That ship ain't making it. It's already been hit once.
I'm not staying for us defending, by the way.
It only needs to be hit again before it sinks.
I thought I was attacking you, hated, David.
No, I like attacking. I hate defending.
Ah,
I like. Funny thing is, in strategy, I like defending more than I like attacking. It's good.
yeah.
James, get your ass back here.
What?
David,
I ain't
David,
staying on a
David.
ship that only needs to be hit once.
No, David, David, David. I was turning to try and...
Unfortunately, that ship is just the fact that Texander's just left.
You have left Tixender on there now.
Adam, come, James, come get me. I can't eat his corpse. It's in the water.
Tixender's currently drowning
He's
themselves.
walking towards you. What's he doing? No, I can't let him do this.
No,
Did
no,
you shoot
no.
at him?
Tixender's not walking towards us. Tixender's just walking to their death.
He has accepted the grave of the water. He's going to Davy Jones. Ah, I see you hiding behind that tree. Look at you. What the fuck, that girl?
What has happened here?
Have you,
Oh, fuck this
I
bollock.
shot a hand cannon at myself.
how do I have 7 minus kills?
David, what is your plan here? I love how I'm recording this. This is not siege event. This is just KGL civil war over a boat.
Oh no, we're not fighting.
Of your own.
James, I don't know who that is, but there's a guy carrying a French flag charging towards you. Fuck.
It's Swear.
Fuck! I didn't hit the French flag guy.
It's there. I'll definitely kill it.
I missed.
How do I have 9 minus kills?
Don't worry about it. I can't make that.
Don't worry, I just crashed them into the other boat. They're not going anywhere. The Sphere are not taking our boat, so the boat will go before they can do that. Right, shall we?
Shall we what?
Not do that. I was just going to say, shall we attack?
Maggie, the fact that you're not eating our corpses is actually really disrespectful. And I
The
don't.
fact that my musket just went straight through Akka is kind of depressing.
I'm gonna hide with these
That being
guys.
said, their musket's also going straight through me, so it's okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna hide with these guys. I might be safer.
I fucking nearly shot you in the back of your head, mister. I see where you're going, the Prussian guard.
Ow! Oh.
James, there's a line.
Oh shit, the British are coming.
Charge!
You'll get slayed for being an out.
Oh shit, the British are coming. What the hell?
Wait, you'll get slayed for being an elf.
Now, why has he got one of our flags? Why is he
I'm an
returning the eagle? What the
Oh,
hell?
he's
What a
returning
nice
the
flag.
eagle. The
What a
Scots
nice
are returning
man.
the
He's
eagle.
returning the eagle.
Ow.
Protect Liati.
Let's
Protect.
cut the art. Our flag. We must recover our flag.
KGL priority number 1. Get that flag.
Drop the flag.
No, we have to get to the boats, Maggie.
Take
We
the
must
flag
save
back to the
flag.
fort.
No, okay, to the fort. I understand. I'm with you.
They brought the
No,
flag back. It
there's
was
still
meant
one.
to be in the fort.
Yeah, this is their flag.
Don't
Wait, no, it's our flag.
don't worry about waiting for us specifically.
No,
Just go and get the
Take
flag.
the flag.
No, James.
Get the flag.
Zombies.
Why?
I'm nearly at the wall.
So I'm doing this, and then oh,
Someone get that flag. It's on the hill.
I'm getting there. I'm getting there. No, damn it! That could go.
I love people trying to be English.
I
Thanks for
think our
nothing.
auntie's annoyed that none of us actually helped them.
We did help them. We killed a couple.
Since when does the Artie ever help us?
Taking the flag back inside the fort for us.
Good. That's what we need.
Did you just try and purposely get me anted there?
We're just trying to be. We're just trying to be Amazon delivery service.
Yes, Amazon.
Only we die less.
Texinder's surrendering at the gate.
Texender is just amazing. Squirrel, no!
They killed him. We must get Texinder back to the front gate. Fire!
Form a human shield.
Oh look,
Oh.
naked people! Oh no!
I saw the horse running towards me and thought that it was Adam, and
I-
I shot Dexender.
I have informed.
I was talking to you, James, while my mic push to talk button wasn't working.
Yes.
I have informed Squirrel of the objective.
Good, he's
Which
up, we're
one?
up in there, boys.
To kill the Swayer, get the flag to the fort, or what? Or,
There's
or
another
get
flag.
Dexender to the fort.
There's another flag. Maybe I'll grab the flag, but if I die, you're
I
Jimmy.
died.
You know what to do.
I already
Shit,
died,
yeah.
man.
No!
I don't know what
No!
to say, I can't really be of much
Forward.
I
assistance.
hope there's rounds
Forward.
to the flag.
There are 2 flags, there's another flag.
Texan didn't die.
There are
Has he
3
got to the gate?
flags. Let's take the flags. Protect the flag.
Gosh.
I honestly hate these guys.
Who does
Not as
that?
much as Swayer, but you know.
Wait, who are you? Who?
The guys who are physically lining up at our spawn.
Oh, what range is that?
Like 12th Legion or something.
Right, I've
13th
got to
Legion
go
or
in a bit,
something.
guys.
Ah,
Oh, gotta
Okay.
go in a bit instantly.
No!
yeah. I think there was a comma in the middle there.
User disconnected from your channel.
That might make sense. It didn't sound like there was a comma. You know, gotta go in a bit, guys.
Oh,
Very-
I almost shot
very quick comma.
Texender. I very nearly shot Texender by accident.
Are you admitting to treason?
No, I was admitting to trying to shoot one of the defenders, and Texender almost walked in the
Take the
way.
flag to the fort. This guy who dropped, he was carrying the flag, then he just dropped the flag in the trenches.
I am right next to one of the flags. Texender has one of the flags.
I bring another flag.
Oh, there was
Come on, Adam, let's
Go,
go.
go! Charge with the flags!
There's another flag. I'll get another one.
Why,
There's
why
no point.
did you choose this one?
I don't know. No, ah! We have lost one of the flags. McAtee, it's down to you.
Lost 2 flags.
Shit, I got shot at their next line of defences. But I took the flag further than it's ever been before.
We will get the flag to the flag.
Maybe we should just all get flags.
It's like a Lord of the Rings conquest on the capture the ring stuff. It's just do everything you can to just get the ring there.
Oh, I'm gonna team kill one of you so bad.
I got a flag.
Yup.
Oh, I'm gonna team kill one of them so bad.
Where's everyone?
Well, I died.
I'm almost at the fort.
James, you runners.
I got a flag.
Same. Ow!
Ow. The Scots are the 92nd, so be careful. Aga,
Why?
because the 92nd are mean.
The 92nd does shit.
Don't kick Squirrel!
We're AFK.
Yes.
Yes, I tried to wake up.
Did you just say don't kick someone?
I said don't kick Squirrel. It's basically the same mentality as don't kick Tixender. Don't just if we
Adam, there's a flag here.
yes, I know.
Look, flag.
Yes, I know.
The arty horse is blocking the trench.
So weird left.
No rockets.
Ah! No!
The flag!
Avoid that board. No, Tixender.
Right?
Yes, I am aware that they are there.
The
Just keep
flag!
running. Just pretend like they're not there.
Ow!
They're not there, what do you mean?
Ow.
Ow!
Pretend that who's not there?
Dexter, what the fuck?
So, now,
Viva la British!
I know some about Warcraft.
Viva la British!
because it's had 3 new expansions announced.
That's nice.
And they're like a new trilogy of stories and like lore-heavy stuff again.
Oh, are we gonna do like
And-
flag, or are we gonna do like drummer, fife and shit? I wanna play music.
And play music. But
I want to charge them, but we've only got 4 people.
yeah,
Adam, get Tixender and Squirrel on board.
they're also
Oh!
they're also talking. They're also talking about the potential of a Warcraft animated series instead of, or maybe a new film.
What do you mean? The other film was perfect.
You say that. I didn't actually mind the other film, but they were saying that they were thinking of a new one. But honestly, like it seems like part of the reason why they gave up on it was the reception of Shadowlands, because that was apparently not very good, and it left a lot of plot holes.
But the other film
I
has
found Anna.
Ragnar in.
Hmm.
Ragnar Lothbrok.
Abortion, please.
But I was watching a video on it earlier, and they were talking about how trying to bring a World of Warcraft size, like how the games did it, into one film is just trying to cram way too much in, and so
That's a lot of people in the ships.
so they might try and do
Oh.
something a bit different.
So a lot of people in the ships.
Yes, and there's a lot of people out in the front.
Brian!
Right.
There's just a rogue marine down here,
Done what?
down the right corner,
Stop flirting above him.
floating.
I'm gonna drop down onto you. Hi.
Hi there.
How you doing?
Nope. Really? Really?
Ach, fickt euch doch ins Knie. Hello!
Mind your language.
Yes, we've got multiple incursions of ships on the right.
Multiple incursions of shits on the right. We've got diarrhea, people. We've got diarrhea approaching.
Help me?
Aga, what happened?
I don't know.
We're gonna need some constipation medicine. Stats.
Adam.
Oh, what the? Magazine, look down.
Please take a screenshot of
Yeah.
that.
Hang on. Hang on.
Fight extender.
Got it. Where am I? I'm over here now. This map is so buggy.
What do you mean? What's buggy about it?
I'm stuck. Help!
Adam, where'd you go?
Hello. Ow.
Just a gut wound, you'll be
I'm stuck.
fine. It's not as if that's a death sentence at all.
I'm stuck.
No. Oh, okay. Right, so out of the 4 of us, or 5 of us, wherever Squirrel is, 3 of us are now stuck.
Help me.
Guys, why are you all stuck?
Extender no stuck. Did I stuck? Help!
Hi.
You also stuck now.
It would seem like that.
You did.
Nope, I'm not stuck. Adam, I thought you said you were stuck.
I don't know what's happening, I am just sliding all the way across.
Well, yeah,
Help!
that's how this thing works. You just slide. Somehow, Ak has managed to not slide, and same with Dixender. So, if our RT's not going to take out those ships, we've lost.
Why?
What? Who did?
Wait, are they right in front of you, or are you just saying
Oh
they're
yeah,
opposite?
yeah. Ballincrow's right in front of them. It's kind of funny. He's just staring.
Oh, this is the tropical paradise map I was on yesterday.
So what?
Yeah, this map gets, or a map similar to it gets used on tropical paradise. Copy me.
Yeah, but that was just a random comment.
Extender.
Yeah.
Randomly, you discovered that this was a
Oh,
map that you were on
Extender.
yesterday. So the fact that the admin's just staring at you guys.
No! Not again!
Why'd you have to do? Yay!
No! Not again!
Your plan failed, Adam.
Oh, for Pete's
Oh,
sake!
you're fine. You can get out.
Yay,
Oh,
freedom!
it's probably because you're playing the flute while you're in there. You can't slide properly. Like you can't move at the right speed, so you just get stuck in there.
Right, now let's go and bring war to them.
With the French, we were meant to bring this to them. Adam, you're moving too quickly.
Why did you sound so much like oversimplified there? Oh, oh no, there's another line coming.
And that
I don't
ended
wanna
his
be
father, who punished him severely.
Ow.
Tyrant squad there.
I'm surviving longer than I should. Maggoty, don't you dare.
Don't I dare what? What?
Whoops!
I wouldn't do anything, Adam.
And the sad reality was, I jumped down against that. I jumped down against that line. I killed 3 of them, and ow!
Help?
I killed 3 of them, and then one of them team killed one of the others.
Black up big man.
Damn, you were going hell.
Yes, I really didn't.
Adam, why so small today?
What? Aga, all I heard was small.
Why so small today?
Oh damn, I've killed like
What do you
people,
mean?
and I've got a
Oh, do you
single
mean
kill
in
now.
terms of people?
Oh.
If you mean in terms of people, I don't know. I messaged Kenobi. Well, actually, I do because I said hi to her.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Fuck.
What?
A bookmark.
Well, mute your mic then. I mean, I was eating on camera and getting in a mess, admittedly.
Where are you, Adam?
So, do you think we might get
Adam.
Do you think we might get a Nagash mod?
Mod?
Not a Nagash mod, a Nagash expansion.
I'm gonna say it's unlikely.
What do you think's left? What do you think's left
To
in
do a
terms of
Nagash,
DLC?
to do a Nagash DLC, they kind of need to say that they're bringing the end times into it,
Yeah.
which is something that no one wants.
After how the writing went.
After what GW did with the end times, no one wants that.
This is not good. They are in. They in. They in. Ow! They're on the left.
So, what DLCs do you think are left?
Well, there'll be a corner and a slash one.
Ah!
Ish, and the other place.
Did you just call it fish?
No.
Fish.
What did you call? Oh, were you talking Koresh?
Yeah. Crash and end.
Yeah, and maybe Nippon, possibly.
Nippon's unlikely because they'd have to extend the map, not
Magot-
just
Magot
add something to the map. That's all.
Wait, is Ind fully added now?
Magotti,
Yeah, Crash and Ind, they're landmasses that are in the game. They're just they're both like in the map. They're just not accessible at all. So
And-
to add them, they just have to like make settlements in them.
Yeah, and I mean the only other ones that they were possibly talking about outside of Dogs of War was
Do you think they are tasty?
what's their name? The Hobgoblins, but they technically added them with Chaos Dwarves, didn't they? Or if
Yeah,
they if they did, they would.
See, I'd like to see what was it? Things like I'd like to see the Southern Realms, and I'd also like to see like things like Albion become official ones.
Yeah, but they
Not
already
just
put
User
the
joined your
mods.
channel.
they already put Be'lakor on there, didn't they?
Salutations! Good to be back
Hello.
on the air.
Yeah, they did put Be'lakor there, but like they also had Rakaf there for a time alongside Be'lakor, so
Yeah.
it's not as if they haven't
Do I hear
had two
myself
people on
twice?
Albion at the same time, and
So-
they can just move Be'lakor.
So, which one overall would you like to see the most?
I mean, I want to see Albion, but
Do you think we might get any?
Hello.
Do you think we might get
Is
any?
this working now?
Yes, it is.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you... Hello, radio. Do you think we're going to maybe get any Lizardmen rework, like one that works?
what?
Well, because the
Get a what rework?
Lizardmen.
Oh, they're gonna do a rework for the Geomantic Web.
Because like
They can't get away with not doing that at some point.
it's also the case that can they? I think I'd be perfectly. I think, in all honesty, I'd be perfectly happy if Dark Elves, although they probably, with the Slanesh DLC, they probably will. But I'd be perfectly happy if Lizardmen and Skaven didn't get any more lords because they got so much focus in 2. But Tomb Kings and Vampire Ghost and Vampire Counts.
Yeah. I mean, what?
Magotti, come here.
I'm dead.
Anyone alive?
You know, I kind of want a I kind of want them to like do a game mode where like all of the lords are in like lore like based starting positions.
Hmm.
Oh,
Like,
Archangel, turn around.
Because
Come here.
I hate the
Adam,
fact that you just get
Adam.
random races and random
Come here.
places that you
No.
wouldn't have to fight lore
I want to
wise,
show you something. Come.
but then they're just there because they want to diversify their map for no reason.
Look in the room on the right, like the last one.
Ah. Please don't shut me in with them.
What happened?
Don't worry.
Wait, you have a recording, right?
Yes.
Yes!
That was weird.
Ow!
I want to see another race pack, and I want to see the undead all get rework. I think those are the two main things, and then Lizardmen as a third.
What do you want the rework for the undead to be?
Or not? It's not really a rework per se, unless I think the rework primarily would be for Vampire Counts. I think for Tomb Kings and Vampire Coast, it would just be more depth.
Yeah, I want a Blood Dragon DLC.
Oh, that was Lucas.
Yeah, I want to see
What do
Vampire
you
Counts Blood Dragon.
what do you think of
DLC.
what do you think of like the main things in the game that need fixing at the moment aside Norska?
Besides the atrocity that is Norska.
Yeah.
I haven't played the game in a while. Yeah, so Nurgle's getting reworked. I think Korn needs a slight rework with how it's like
What are you on?
rage
Are you on
things
mini
work.
siege?
No, we're on event.
We event.
Event.
Yes.
Fuck.
Because yeah, it can be really easy just like lose all of like your rage.
KBLR is using bots.
What is the pastor Haffer?
I think the
Oh, enemy left.
Oh, and of
enemy.
course, not enough nukes. We need more nukes.
is
Yes, we need nuke.
is it just me or out of the four? What the heck? Is it just me or out of the four Chaos Lords, do you think like Slaanesh has got like the least amount of focus? It seems to be the one that's just sort of thrown in there with the others at the moment.
Yeah, well, they're compensating for the excess thing.
We lost.
For the what?
For the excess thing, you know.
Ah,
You
we
know,
lost
so they're
flag.
with excess, so they like can't have excess of this now. So yeah.
yeah.
Oh, Kislev needs to be work. I
That's
fucking
unfortunate.
hate the fact that everything is a hybrid unit.
Hmm.
Everything is the same thing. It's boring as shit.
Well, thank you all for coming. Ow.
Up. I came. I was on the server.
I mean, we can hop on mini siege for a few minutes if you like.
Adam,
probably gonna head over
Adam,
to the,
Adam, when
the
you
12.
gonna upload? When you gonna upload that video?
I don't know.
I wanna.
Akko, I've got a backlog of about 7 videos that need uploading.